What kind of teacher am I? You know that I'm not into the traditional medical or scientific concept of therapy or working on people. I go through my own experience with people, so it is totally based on the heart, on love, and sometimes you may think that the methods we use here are not orthodox. They are not. They're based on a wholly different pattern. When I give you information, I especially try to stay away from the labels, the rigid systems, and give you the information experientially and from the heart. Okay, this is how I have learned for lifetimes.